Technology has kept us connected, now more than ever. Yet businesses have struggled with an ever-increasing customer base, made worse by a limited workforce. The solution? Let humans perform complex communication while making AI automate high-volume repetitive communication. AI Rudder's next-generation AI platform helps call centers supercharge their operations with AI-powered voice assistants. From telemarketing and payment reminders calls to customer surveys and conversation analysis, our AI can understand the sentiment, intent, and conversational context, accurately responding to questions while staying 100% compliant. It understands multiple languages, dialects, and accents, and is able to provide a seamless experience across multiple channels. Ensure your communication approach aligns with your brand and desired customer experience while completing thousands of calls, no matter your business vertical. The best part? We help you automate your call center operations in just a few clicks. The future of business communication is happier customers. Try AI Rudder today.